Good morning. Okay, if you're like me, I'm obsessed with vanilla sweet cream cold from Starbucks. But when I order my drink, it's like $10. So I took to the internet and I figured out how to make it myself. I tried it for the first time yesterday and it was amazing, so I'm gonna show it. I already have my iced coffee I made previously. You're gonna need heavy whipping cream. I have vanilla almond milk, and then this vanilla syrup. Okay, so before y'all come to me, I know there's specific instructions for this, but I kind of just go with what I want. I put a dash so far of heavy whipping cream and a splash of my vanilla. And then I have vanilla almond milk here, which you can also use other kind of milk. I'm just more on the lactose side, so I don't like to. And then I have this little guy. It's a frother from Amazon. Maybe I'll link it down below if you guys are interested in that. Now, what I've seen online is to do this for like ever. You can even use like a French press to get like the actual foam, but get a little close to the surface. This worked just fine for me yesterday. It was still absolutely delicious. That done. And then here's my iced coffee. I'm just going to put it on top and voila, you're done. Now of course you can take to Google or Pinterest, which is where I found my recipe, to find your own, but this works just fine for me. Of course, you know, if you want to be one of those people that are absolutely precise about the measurements, I'm pretty sure the Pinterest thing said like 2 tablespoons of this and milk and a teaspoon of vanilla, but you can find the combination that works best for you. Regardless, absolutely amazing and saves me $10 from going to Starbucks.